In today's video, we will be comparing two popular dash cams, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo and the Avilet Dash Cam WiFi 2K. We will explore their features, performance, and value for money to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. The VIOFO A129 Plus Duo offers a front camera resolution of 2K at 60 frames per second, providing exceptional clarity and detail. In contrast, the Avilet Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K records at 2K but only at 30 frames per second, which may result in less smooth video playback. For those who prioritize high-quality video, the VIOFO is the clear winner. The VIOFO A129 Plus Duo comes equipped with advanced features such as multiple parking modes, built-in GPS, and Wi-Fi connectivity, making it a versatile option for users. On the other hand, the Avilet Dash Cam offers basic features like motion detection and loop recording, but lacks the comprehensive capabilities of the VIOFO. If you want a feature-rich dash cam, the VIOFO is the better choice. When it comes to price, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo is a premium option at $189, reflecting its advanced features and high-quality recording capabilities. In contrast, the Avilet Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K is much more budget-friendly at $59, making it an attractive option for those looking for a basic dash cam without breaking the bank. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and the features you prioritize. In conclusion, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo offers superior video quality and advanced features, making it ideal for serious users. However, the Avilet Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K provides a budget-friendly alternative with decent performance. Consider your needs and budget when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.